So yo guys, what the boys and girls here. Right now I'm playing Minecraft. Minecraft. And what I'm gonna do, I wanna do an house tour. Yeah, maybe quick house tour. This is not a room tour, okay? So yeah, let's start. So this is the front of my house. Just like there are some leaves and sandstone. If you don't know sandstone, it means you're not playing Minecraft as well. And yeah, come to the other side. And these are my horse. This is not only my horse, but my brother's horse too. I'm playing multiplayer in this world with my brothers, okay? And I have two brothers. Okay, this is the back of my house. I think it's ugly, and I think this is enough. Now we'll go to inside. Okay, so this is the first floor of my house. There are crafting table, chest, furnace, and those painting, and not painting. Okay, so this is my storage room. I put my gear in this room. There are random chests and meal chests too. I want to show you. Wait. And now we're gonna go to the second floor. See, this is my decoration. This is the TV and the sofa from sandstone, and this is the lamp or glowstone. And those painting, and this is the slab, and this is the flower. Oh no! Let's put it again. This is the flowers, and yeah, this is the lever for close this access to the second floor. Yeah, this is the furnace, and this is the shelf. Let's go inside. Okay guys, I'm not doing house tour only. I want to take you to my animals farm. Okay, so I want to give you a little bit flashback. My animals is so many, okay, just maybe 30. But then that creeper destroyed my farm. Not too bad, but yeah, that's exactly destroyed my farm. And my animals escape. Still 5 or 9 of my animals left, and then yeah, I killed 15 or 20 of my animals that escaped, cause I'm so angry. Okay, enough for flashback. Okay, there are black sheep, white sheep, cows, and chicken, and not chicken, but chickens. And I was thinking, guys, that if I bred in the black sheep and the white sheep, the child will be, mixing black and white. But it's not. The child is still white, like his mom. Okay, this is the quick house tour and farm tour. Thank you for watching and goodbye.